Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and as always I'm back again with another video. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell button so you get my notification as soon as I upload my video on this channel. So let's begin today's video. Friends, as we all know, each individual have their own goals in life, what they want to achieve, where they want to see themselves. Few have the opportunity at the end to say yes, these all what I have dreamt of, and I'm successfully getting all these with my hard work. Whatever I have planned and I executed, I implemented, and finally I am here. I'm really happy with myself. However, few are also in a state wherein they can't really go and achieve their goals because of XYZ reasons, circumstances and situations what they come across. They have to sacrifice, or they had sacrificed their goals, their dreams, to ensure that rest of them around them are happy. Take that moment to appreciate someone who's behind your success, behind your happiness, behind you reaching your goals. Very important. Just an example, your Monday mornings when a student going to school, when a husband is going to office, or for that matter when someone is going out of the house for a job. That can be sports, that can be school, that can be your office, or that can be any sort of job. There is someone behind who is actually ensuring that whatever job you do or whatever task you perform should go flawless. You should win and come out with flying colors. People, friends, we have someone who motivates us on a day in day out basis. If we are performing well, we are reaching our targets, we are meeting our goals, we do get mails from our immediate seniors stating yes, you have done a great job. Similarly, students or college going students in any other field, you have some sort of appreciation mails, appreciation, motivation coming in via different medium wherein you feel that you are valued. Think about someone who's at home ensuring that you go to office and get all this motivation. You get more number of awards, more appreciation mails, promotions, salary hikes. You're happy always. As an individual, your personality is superb. Take a moment to appreciate the one at home who's actually providing you that support. That can be your mother, your grandparents, your wife. That can be anyone who's at home ensuring that you are safe, you get good food, you get sleep, you're not getting disturbed on weekends, so that Monday you go back to work fresh minded and complete your task, impress your boss. All this, whatever happens behind the screen of your life, take that moment to appreciate them. You telling them that mom or wife or grandparents that this food is amazing. Thank you so much for this. The house looks very clean and neat. Thank you so much for this. My clothes are pressed. and I'm happy that every day my grooming standards are at par. People look up to me and ask me, how do you manage all these things? Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for ensuring that I go safe, come back safe. I have every resource with me to ensure that I perform well on day in, day out basis. Without their support, friends, we are nothing. I am sure we will not be able to perform the way we are currently performing without them. So, your win or your achievement of your goals is equally important and very, very crucial, and we wouldn't have reached up to that position without their support, who are at home, who are our back end side support heroes. So this message was only for you all to know that please take that moment to appreciate, motivate the ones who are at home, have sacrificed their careers, their goals, their dreams to ensure that something which is really, really important can be proceeded forward, and you as an individual can go and get your goals. That's it, friends, for this video. I'll be back again with something which is really interesting, and if you have anything in your mind, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to do that video as well. Till then, take care, be safe, wear a mask and maintain safe distancing. Thank you so much.